Next section, cultural influence on health and diseases. Health is determined by several factors, including genetic inheritance, personal behaviors, access to quality health care, and the general external environment, such as the quality of air, water, housing conditions. In addition, a growing body of research has documented associations between social and cultural factors and health. All cultures have systems of health beliefs to explain what causes illness, how it can be cured or treated, and who should be involved in the process. The extent to which patients pursue patient education as having cultural relevance for them can have a profound effect on their reception to information provided and they are willing to use it. Cultural factors influence health and diseases, both communicable and non-communicable diseases. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. What do you think about disease? A condition of the body or some part or organ of the body in which its functions are disturbed or deranged. What is meant by illness? Illness refers not only to the presence of a specific disease but also to the individual's perception and behavior in response to the disease, as well as the impact of that disease on the physical environment. Cultural belief related to health and diseases. First belief, getting up early morning and take bath. Next, drinking tulsi water every day will give good health. During the time of stress, the individual appeals to the God. Example, prayer. Look at this tulsi in front of a house. People believe that which prevent the disease. Giving iron object during convulsion period will reduce the intensity of fits. Doing meditation will increase concentration and attention. Chicken pox due to Amman. Cultural belief related to food. Rich people consume more often saturated food which cause obesity. Brinjal, egg, fish will produce allergies. Beetroot consumption enhances blood production in the body. Cultural practices versus health. Following some cultural practices which is directly linked with health status of people. For example, health behavior. Early marriage, more children, preference of son, socio-cultural taboos. Taboos mean prohibited practices. Religious belief, negative belief or positive belief, using contraceptives. Look at this poster which is emphasize eradicate harmful cultural practices on mental health. Taboos. Now look at this cultural practices, child marriage. Look at this poster. At least 200 million girls and women have undergone female genital mutilation across various countries. End FGM. Feeding practices, food habits, selection of food items, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, Barda system, practice of polygamy, magic remedy, superstitious religious practices, feeding the first milk, colostrums, circumcision, female genital mutilation, belief in evil force, sexuality, ignorance about disease, to harmful cultural practices. First, create awareness, following good practices, keep the house clean and neat, hygiene, good sanitation, hygienic practice, exercise, taking bath, personal hygiene, environmental hygiene, join hand with government. For example, breastfeeding to prevent child mortality. Look at this poster, ABCDE culture. A for avoid alcohol, B for be physically active, C for cut down on salt and sugar, D for do not use tobacco products, E for eat plenty of vegetables and fruits. Look at this poster, pictures express, so no tobacco, regular medical checkup and healthy practices including exercise and vegetable and fruits. Culture and communicable disease. Communicable diseases influenced by culture. Example, unstandardized culture leads to malaria, TB, HIV/AIDS and coronavirus, etc. Good culture influence better health and prevent communicable diseases. Look at this hygienic practice, good behavior or good culture display in the workplaces to prevent droplet like coronavirus. Hand wash should be emphasized to prevent communicable diseases, and immunization is must. Culture and non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases induced by culture. Example, unstandardized culture leads to cardiovascular diseases diabetes and cancer. Standardized lifestyle, enrich health. Look at this poster. Reduce the risk of diabetes. Take a brisk 30 minutes walk 5 days a week. Stay your day with healthy breakfast. Prevent, treat and beat diabetes. Look at this aerobic exercise to control the non-communicable diseases. This harmful cultural practice, smoking. Cause lung cancer and cardiovascular diseases. This good cultural practices, enough sleep, habits like good mental hygiene, reading, and promote positive thought in the mind. Culture, illness, patient care. First, patient dissatisfaction due to healthcare providers not concerning cultural factors. Second, patient safety and quality of care. The patient security is essential, and quality means standard of care by means of cultural oriented care and treatment. 3. Inequality of access due to multicultural factors. Every healthcare providers need to concern every unique cultures to prevent and cure the diseases. 4. Unexpected cost. The cultural oriented treatment can reduce the cost for treatment and healthcare. Look at this. Be healthy, be mobile. Mobile technology for a healthy life. Alternative resolution. Culture is a medicine, an alternative resolution to treat various diseases and prevent illness. Construction of clinical reality. Some diseases difficult to find the reality of the cause of disease. The cultural assessment help to identify and realize the causes of the diseases. Cultural modification. By means of modification of cultural traits, modify material cultural traits as well as non-material traits. Material including food habits, tools which we have been using everyday life. Non-material including knowledge, belief, values should be modified. Next, alteration of cultural traits. The altering existing materials and non-materials components. Change of cultural traits, which means remove harmful cultural factors and materials and adopt new cultural as well as behavioral modifications, and new materials should be concerned to use to treat the diseases as well as prevent the disease. Look at this cultural modification. Exercise, different types, everyday activities. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.